In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email in Google Ads, all in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're transitioning to a new business email, organizing who has access to your account, or simply updating your records, changing your email can be a necessary task. So let's go ahead and walk through this process step by step, making sure it's as seamless as possible for you. First things first, navigate your way over to the Google Ads website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in ads.google.com. Once you've arrived at the homepage, look for the Sign In button. It's typically located in the upper right hand corner. Go ahead and click on that. If you aren't logged in yet, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, so make sure you have those handy. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads dashboard. This is the central hub for managing all your campaigns. From here, you'll want to locate the settings menu, find the admin section. It's usually on the bottom left side of the navigation panel. This area is important because it contains all the administrative tools necessary for managing your account settings. Next, click on Access and Security. This page is crucial as it manages the access permissions for your account. It's where you can add or modify users and their roles. Now look for the Add button, which allows you to add a new user or update existing credentials. Click on that option and you're one step closer to changing your email. At this stage, you should see the section where you can enter a new email address for the account. Enter the email like you normally would when typing an address into an email client. It's always a good idea to double check the spelling to make sure there aren't any typos, which could prevent successful updating. Once your new email is entered, Google Ads may prompt you to set permissions for this email, deciding what level of access this user will have. Select the permission level that best matches your needs, whether it's standard or administrative access. Always remember, granting administrative access gives full control over the account, so proceed with care. Before wrapping up, make sure to review all the changes to ensure that everything is correct. Then confirm your changes and you should be all set. Your email for Google Ads should now be successfully updated. And there you have it. Changing your email in Google Ads doesn't have to be overwhelming. By following these steps, you ensure that your account information remains up to date, streamlining your advertising efforts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Until next time, happy advertising.